So that was interesting. The last thing you want to see when you're doing a pull racing someone is a check engine light. Fuel cut happened and it kind of jerked the car a little bit because fuel cut actually happened. The car cut fuel from the fuel injectors because it sensed an overboost. Cobtuning.com, in my opinion, has the best explanation. These guys know what they're talking about. So go to their website, go to common trouble codes. So we've got P0244, turbo wastegate solenoid A range performance, boost pressure has exceeded the maximum set threshold. Run the low wastegate map. So sudden drop in ambient temperatures, it was probably about 40 degrees out that morning, so check. Accelerating aggressively in a high gear at a low RPM. I'm just glad the car has an actual safeguard to protect the motor in case of this overboost. Now another reason for this could mean that your wastegate spring is just too old and the flapper just can't stay shut. It lets boost into the intake manifold and that creates a boost spike or an overboost. So one way to do that is just upgrade the wastegate and spring. But if you're going to do that, you're probably just going to get a new turbo anyway. So you can go that route as well. Good thing is, nothing is really wrong with your car, especially if it happened with those conditions in mind. The ambient temperature, the high gear, low RPM boosting, at wide open throttle especially. However you have to, you can just clear the code, Cob AP, take the negative off. It should turn off, especially after 5 cycles of clearing the key on and off without having that same problem happen again. If that doesn't work for you, just reflash it. Take the low wastegate map from Cobb or go to your pro tuner. He can tune this out for you. If you live anywhere where it's cold in the morning and warm in the afternoon, you might want to leave the low wastegate tune on until it's just warm all the time where you live. Unless you're just going to run the low wastegate tune all the time.